Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel today. If it is your first time, very good welcome to you. If you are already a part of my YouTube family, a very good welcome to you. Please remember, God will never leave you nor forsake you. If you want to go from, you want to change up your look with your crochet braids, if you have crochet braids and, it's straight hair, I'm giving you another video as to how, I change up the look and make it a bit shorter without giving it that blunt cut at the end. Maybe it's a bit blunt, but it's not as noticeable. And if you want to change it up and you want to know how I achieve this, then please watch on. So to start off, I'm going ahead to make sure that there's no knots in the hair, and I am trying to detangle as much as I can, and then I'm going to section it off into two parts, and I'm going to get a razor. This I'm going to do off camera. Now I'm brushing it out to make sure there's no knots, and see, it's not a blunt cut, and I'm just brushing it through. Now here with the razor, again, please be careful, and of course this part is optional. I mean, you don't have to use the razor that I'm using. They have others that are more safe, and this one you just want to cut away from yourself. Please do not cut towards yourself. And then at the end, I'm going ahead with the scissors and I'm just going to clip the scraggly bits off. I really like how this hair turned out, so now I'm just going to get the iron, the flat iron or the straightener, and I'm just going to try and add a little bit of flip to it. I always like to do this. This, again, of course, is optional, and I really like how this turned out, guys. I hope you enjoy this as much as I did. Please don't forget to rate this video, comment, like, and please do subscribe for more updates. Thank you. Bye for now.